Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Easy English Daily, where learning English is easy and fun. I'm Olivia.
Hello, Olivia. Hello, everyone. It is wonderful to be here today.
It really is. How are you, Jack?
I am good, thank you. I am awake.
Awake. That is a good start.
Yes, I had my coffee, so I am ready. And how are you, Olivia?
I'm great. I'm very happy today. I had a good morning.
Oh, that's nice. A good morning is very important.
It is. And that is our topic today. We are going to talk about daily life, our routines.
Ah, daily routines. Yes, this is a topic everyone has. We all have a day.
Yes, we do. We all have things we do every day, morning, afternoon, and night.
It sounds very interesting already. You know, sometimes people think the word routine is boring.
Maybe, but I think our routines can be very different and even interesting.
I agree, and it's perfect for English practice because we use simple and useful words to talk about our day.
Exactly. But before we start, we have a small request.
Yes, we do. If you're listening and you enjoy our podcast, please click the like button, a big thumbs up.
Yes, please do. And if you are new here, welcome. Please subscribe to Easy English Daily.
It helps us so much. And please share this podcast with a friend who is learning English.
Thank you. We really love our listeners. Okay, Jack.
Yes, Olivia?
Daily life. Let's start at the beginning. The morning.
Oh no, the morning.
You don't like the morning, Jack?
I am not a morning person, not at all.
Really? I am a morning person. I love the morning.
Wow, for me, the morning is difficult, the alarm clock.
Ah, yes, the alarm clock.
I do not like that sound. Beep, beep, beep.
My alarm is music, soft music.
That is smart. My alarm is just loud. I wake up and think, oh no, already.
And do you get up?
No, I press the snooze button.
The snooze button?
Yes, 5 more minutes.
Is it really 5 minutes?
Maybe, sometimes 5 minutes, then 5 more minutes.
Oh, Jack. So when do you actually get out of bed?
When I must, when it's very late. Then I jump out of bed. I'm late!
That is funny. My morning is very different.
Tell me.
I wake up early, before the sun.
Wow, why?
I love the quiet. The house is very silent, no cars, no noise. It's just me.
And what do you do first?
The first and most important thing? Coffee.
Ah, yes, coffee. Me too. I run from the bed to the coffee machine.
How do you like your coffee, Jack?
Strong and black. No milk. No sugar. Just coffee.
I like my coffee with a little hot milk. It feels warm and nice.
That sounds good. I drink my coffee and look at my phone.
Oh no, not the phone.
Yes, I check the news and emails.
I don't look at my phone. I sit by the window with my coffee. I just think. It's very calm.
Maybe I should try that.
It's very nice. Okay, so we have coffee. Now, what about breakfast?
Breakfast is very fast for me.
Because you're late?
Yes, I eat toast. Just toast with butter or maybe a banana. Very easy.
That is very fast. I like to eat a good breakfast. I eat yogurt with fruit, or sometimes I make eggs.
Eggs? Olivia, you have a lot of time.
I wake up early.
True. Okay, so after breakfast, we get ready for the day.
Yes, I take a shower. I like a very hot shower.
Me too. A hot shower really wakes me up.
And then the difficult part.
What?
Choosing clothes.
Oh, yes. I look at my closet, so many clothes, shirts, pants, dresses, and I always think,
I have nothing to wear.
yes, I know that feeling. It's so silly. I have so many clothes.
What is your system, Jack?
My system is very easy. I only have blue shirts.
No, really?
Yes, blue shirts, white shirts, and gray shirts. Very simple. I grab one, done.
Jack, that is very smart.
It's easy. No thinking. Thinking is for later in the day.
Okay, so you have your blue shirt, I finally find a dress, and then it's time for work.
Yes, time to go to work. How do you go to work? Do you drive?
No, I take the bus.
Ah, the bus. Is it good?
It's okay, but it's very crowded. Many people.
I don't like crowded places.
Me neither, but I can listen to music. I put in my headphones and listen to music or a podcast.
Oh, a podcast. A good podcast.
Yes, sometimes I listen to Easy English Daily.
Good choice.
What about you, Jack?
I drive my car.
Ah, your car. That sounds nice.
It is nice, but the traffic is not nice.
Oh, yes, the traffic. So many cars.
All going very, very slow. Stop, go, stop, go.
That is boring.
It is. I listen to music too. Loud music.
Okay, so we arrive at work.
Yes. What is your workday like, Olivia? Is it busy?
Yes, it's always busy. The first thing I do is more coffee.
Of course.
I go to my desk, I turn on my computer, and so many emails.
Ah, the emails. I know that feeling.
I read emails, I write emails, then I have meetings.
Yes, meetings. Like your meeting about the big report.
Yes, like that. Talking.
My day is similar. I talk to people, I help people. I like my job, but yes, many emails.
What about lunch? This is my favorite part of the workday.
Mine too. Food.
Do you bring your lunch from home or do you buy lunch?
I usually bring my lunch.
That is very good. Very organized.
Yes, I make a salad or a sandwich at home in the morning.
Wow, Jack, you make eggs and a sandwich?
It's easy and cheap. Buying lunch every day is expensive.
That's true, but I am not organized.
So you buy lunch.
Yes, I go to a small cafe near my office. I buy a sandwich.
Is it good?
It's very good, and I like to walk for 10 minutes to get out of the office.
Yes, walking a little is important. And in the afternoon?
I get very sleepy.
Oh yes, around 3 p.m.
Yes, exactly 3 p.m. My eyes are like,
Same. Do you drink more coffee?
sometimes. Or I drink tea, green tea.
Green tea is good. I eat a small snack, an apple.
An apple, very healthy. I eat a cookie.
A cookie is good too.
So, 5 p.m., work is finished.
Yes, the best time of the day.
I go home on the bus again. I am very tired, so I just look out the window.
I go home in my car, and the traffic is bad again.
Oh, no.
But I feel happy because I'm going home.
Yes, home is the best. What is the first thing you do when you open the door?
Good question. I put down my keys, I put down my bag, and I say hello to my dog.
You have a dog?
Yes, his name is Max. He's very happy to see me. He jumps, he barks.
Aw, that is so sweet.
It is. And you, Olivia?
I open the door and I say hello to my cat.
You have a cat.
Yes, her name is Bella.
Is Bella happy to see you?
She is a cat.
Oh, I understand.
She looks at me and says, meow.
What does that mean?
It means, hello, now give me food.
Cats. They are the boss.
Yes, Bella is the boss of my house.
So after you greet your pets, what's next?
I change my clothes. This is very important.
Oh, yes, I take off my work clothes, my blue shirt, and I put on...
Not pajamas, not yet. Just something comfortable. A t-shirt.
Yes, me too. Comfortable clothes. It feels so good.
And then, dinner time.
Yes, I'm usually hungry by then. Do you cook dinner, Olivia?
I do. I like cooking. It's very relaxing.
Really? For me, cooking is stressful.
Stressful? Why?
I am a bad cook, Olivia, a very bad cook. I burn things. I burned the chicken, I burned the rice. One time, I even burned water.
Jack, how do you burn water?
I don't know. I forgot it. All the water was gone.
Oh my goodness. So what do you eat for dinner?
I cook simple things like pasta with tomato sauce or eggs, or I order food.
Ah, like pizza?
Yes, I love pizza. Pepperoni pizza.
Pizza is a great dinner. I like cooking, cutting vegetables, listening to music. I like making soup or pasta.
That sounds delicious. You're a very good cook.
It's just simple food.
So, after dinner, it's maybe 7 p.m.
Yes. What do you do?
I clean the kitchen.
Oh, good job, Jack.
Yes. And then I sit on my sofa, my big red sofa.
Ah, the sofa.
Yes, and Bella the cat sits with me. She sits on me and sleeps.
That is very sweet. And you, Olivia? I don't sleep yet. I watch TV.
What do you watch?
I like funny movies, comedies. I need to laugh after a long day.
Yes, laughing is good.
What about you? TV sometimes or reading?
I read a book. I like stories. And I walk my dog, Max.
Oh, yes, the dog.
He needs a walk, so we go outside for a short walk.
Is it nice at night?
It's very nice. Quiet. I look at the stars.
That sounds lovely. My cat does not like walks.
No, I don't think so.
So, after your walk, what time do you go to bed?
I go to bed early. I'm a morning person, remember?
Oh, yes.
I go to bed at 10 p.m.
10 p.m.? Wow, that's early.
Yes, I brush my teeth, put on my pajamas, and read in bed for 10 minutes. Then snaps, asleep.
That is wonderful. You get a lot of sleep.
Yes. What about you, the not a morning person?
I go to bed late.
How late?
Maybe 11:30 p.m. or midnight.
Midnight, Olivia.
I watch one more movie or read something on the internet, and then in the morning I'm tired.
Yes, it's a big circle. Ah, Olivia, your routine is very organized.
And yours is very funny, Jack.
Wow. We talked about our whole day.
Yes, from the alarm clock to pajamas. It was so nice to hear about your day, Jack.
And yours, Olivia, and Max and Bella.
Yes. Well, that's all the time we have for today.
Wow, time flies. Thank you, everyone, for listening to our chat.
Yes, thank you so much. We hope you enjoyed talking about daily life. Please don't forget to subscribe to Easy English Daily, give this episode a like if you had fun, and share it with your friends.
Yes, and we have a question for you. In the comments below, tell us, are you a morning person like Jack or an evening person like Olivia?
Yes, tell us in the comments. We'd love to read what you write.
We do. Okay, see you next time, Olivia.
Bye, Jack. Bye, everyone.
Bye for now.